Huh? They went to school together with him. That's the father of the children. That's the father. We eventually go to school together. Which way? That's him.
Okay. I wanted to be a ward. We wanted to go to a ward. They are here now, so we just go to children's place. Okay. I want to. Yes, sir. Thank you for all the good work you've done. Quasi-military hospital. The hospital was the wife of the officers and then the army head.
Nazira, Maridia.
Come now.
She's emotional.
This window is reflecting.
This time we're about 316. Yes, sir.
Thank you for the good news. Wonderful.
Hospital?
Well, I'm sure you know why I came. I came to first have opportunity of condoling the family and then seeing the young ones that are still in hospital.
So what message do you have for Nigerians and particularly security agencies?
Well, it's for all of us to sacrifice everything possible to see that this criminality is contained. It's not beginning to affect everybody. Can you imagine what it is for a father to lose her young daughter? Not just her. Imagine Folashede's family as well. 13 years old. So just imagine the trauma. Imagine what they're going through. So for me, we should do everything possible to ensure that this is contained and stopped.
Are there particular message, advice you have, particularly for the security agencies, maybe a reject of the architecture?
The security agencies and all of us are the same. We just have to, government and the people must work hard to stop this. That's where I am. It's a very sad situation. I don't even know how to start commenting because this is happening every day. I opened newspapers in this morning. It's other traditional rulers are kidnapped and killed in Ekiti. This one is happening in Anambra. This one is happening in all over the place. We can't continue this way.
If you were commander-in-chief, what would you have done at this particular time?
I will put all efforts, everything possible to stop it. And I know it can be contained. We have a country. We can't allow the country to be taken over by criminality.
Thank you, sir. If he's ready to talk. If he's willing to talk. He doesn't want to talk. He doesn't want to.
That's what I'm